Hi, this is Marty from the Already Garden. Today's little video is on adding a fluid to your air conditioning drain, which runs through this white tube, which is held up by a few rubber bands or with hooks on them, so this way they hold up tight. And water runs out and it empties outside the house. Now, a little trick I learned in the trade is to take this little cap off over here. You take it off and take, let's say the man had told me, vinegar, clear vinegar, and pour it through. Naturally, the air conditioning system should be this way to work the vinegar go through, and follow it up by 1 or 2 bottles, about 6 to 8 ounces bottles size, with warm or very warm hot water, and pour it through the line after the vinegar is gone through the line, and that should flush out to the line. And one thing I must tell you, one thing when you're doing this to flush out the line, I did it a few times with a hose. I brought the hose to the house and put the hose in on this end where it disconnects. You can pull it out and put the hose nozzle in there and then spray it out. Or if you got a very good air pump with pressure, you can blow it out through this extension over here. But one thing I must tell you is, see these rubber lines? I guess you hold down the eyelets with them, the hooks. I held it up, and I learned the hard way. Because a man wanted to give me a new drain line from the house, which would have been a little expensive. But the whole idea is to keep the line up as high as possible, because the line itself, its gravity pulls, and any little, and I just had a half-inch difference when I pulled up. That's why there's 2 of those rubber band things here holding this up, and it allowed the water just to sit there long enough to clog up right in this little section. So when I blew it out, I was blowing out half of it. But the fact that I used the vinegar and hot water let it drain out, and when it drained outside, I looked outside and the water was flowing extremely fast. So we're just looking to see to do it again, and that's it. Like I said, try it out, check it out. You got nothing to lose, because if you call the repairman, you know it's a very expensive deal. So this is one little thing. I use air pressure, I use water pressure with a hose inside the house, and then when I use the garlic with the hot water flowing after it, everything is well. And this is maybe about 4 or 5 months ago that I got a reputable AC company, and they wanted to give me a new drain line. So no drain line, but it's still plugging out. So thank you. Any questions? Just let us know. Bye-bye.